If you're searching for real answers in a world full of noise, hit that subscribe button right now. The Monk of Matrix changed my perspectives on everything.
Right now, as you watch this video, how many tabs do you have open? How many times have you checked your phone today? 50? 100? Welcome to 2025, where your attention has become the most valuable commodity, and you're giving it away for free. I'm the Monk of Matrix, and today I'm going to share an ancient technique so powerful, so transformative, that it's been hidden in plain sight for thousands of years. This isn't another productivity hack that'll fade away next month. This is wisdom that has survived millennia, and it's exactly what you need right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a practical tool that takes just 60 seconds to implement, yet has the power to transform your entire relationship with attention, focus, and peace. Let's begin. Let me paint you a picture. You sit down to work on something important. Within 5 minutes, ping, a text message, buzz, an email, ding, a social media notification. Before you know it, 20 minutes have vanished and you haven't even started. Sound familiar? Here's the brutal truth. The average person checks their phone 144 times per day. That's once every 7 minutes while you're awake. Your brain isn't designed for this. For millions of years, human attention evolved to focus on one thing at a time, tracking prey, gathering food, detecting danger. But now, we're asking our ancient brains to juggle dozens of inputs simultaneously. The cost is staggering. Chronic stress that never shuts off productivity. That's a fraction of what it could be. Relationships where you're physically present but mentally absent. Moments of beauty that you completely miss because you're staring at a screen. I see this everywhere. The 24-year-old professional who can't get through a meal without checking notifications. The 42-year-old parent who realizes they don't remember their child's stories because they were scrolling. The 35-year-old executive who has success but feels empty because they've never truly been present for any of it. We've become strangers to our own attention. But here's the good news. There's a way out. For over 5,000 years, spiritual traditions from India to China to Greece discovered something remarkable. The mind is like water. When turbulent, you can't see clearly. When still, everything becomes visible. The Bhagavad Gita teaches us about Ekagrata, one-pointed focus. The Zen masters call it Zazen, just sitting. The Vedantic sages speak of dharana, concentrated attention. Different names, same truth. You don't need to control every thought. You need to become the observer of your attention itself. This isn't about clearing your mind completely. That's a myth that stops most people before they start. This is about training your attention like you'd train a muscle. And just like a muscle, it gets stronger with practice. The technique I'm about to share isn't mine. It belongs to humanity. It's been practiced by monks in monasteries, warriors before battle, and wise elders teaching the next generation. And now, in 2025, when we need it most, it's yours. This is called the attention anchor method. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose your anchor. Pick one thing to focus on. The simplest? Your breath. The sensation of air entering your nostrils. The rise and fall of your chest. The pause between breaths. It could also be a sound, a ticking clock, rain falling, or even silence itself. Or a sensation, your hands resting on your lap, your feet touching the ground. Step 2. Set a time. Start. Tiny forget. 20-minute meditations. Start with 60 seconds. That's it. 1 minute where you commit fully. Step 3. Focus on your anchor. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Bring all your attention to your breath, sound, or sensation. Notice everything about it. The texture, the rhythm, the subtlety. Step 4. When your mind wanders, and it will. Here's the secret most people miss. Mind wandering isn't failure. Noticing it is the practice. Your mind will drift. You'll think about work, dinner, that awkward conversation from yesterday. The moment you realize you've wandered without judgment, without frustration, gently guide your attention back to the anchor, back to the breath, back to the sound, back to now. This gentle return, that's the rep. That's where your attention muscle gets stronger. Common challenges. My mind won't stop thinking. Perfect. That's not the problem. The problem is believing those thoughts. Just observe them like clouds passing in the sky. I feel restless and impatient. Welcome that feeling. Notice where it lives in your body. That restlessness is information. You're becoming aware of your habitual patterns. I don't have time for this. You have time to scroll social media for 2 hours daily, but not 60 seconds for your own peace? This is exactly why you need this practice. Try it right now. Seriously, pause this video. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Focus on your breath. Notice when you drift. Gently return. Do it now. Welcome back. How was that? Harder than expected? Perfect. That's where growth begins. Here's where this becomes life-changing. This isn't just for dedicated meditation sessions. This becomes your secret weapon in daily life. Before that difficult meeting? 60 seconds with your anchor. You walk in calm, centered, present. Stuck in traffic or waiting in line. Instead of reaching for your phone, anchor into your breath. Transform dead time into training time. Before bed, mind racing? 3 minutes with your attention anchor. Watch the mental noise settle like sediment in water. The benefits are real. For the 18-year-old student, improved focus during study sessions, reduced exam anxiety, better retention. One student told me she went from C's to A's not by studying more, but by being present while studying. For the 24-year-old professional, sharp decision-making, resistance to workplace stress, the ability to be productive without burning out. Imagine leaving work and actually leaving work mentally. For the 35-year-old parent, true presence with your children, patience that doesn't run out, the ability to hear what's beneath the words. For the 42-year-old navigating transition, clarity about who you are beyond your roles, peace with uncertainty, strength that comes from inner stillness, not external validation. For the elder rediscovering purpose, a return to the present moment after years of living in memory or worry. The wisdom that you've always been complete. This practice works across every age, every background, every life situation. Why? Because distraction is universal. And so is the solution. The ancient sages knew something we've forgotten. Your attention is your life. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. Where your energy flows, your life grows. When you reclaim your attention, you reclaim your life. Let me be clear. This won't solve all your problems overnight. The Bhagavad Gita doesn't promise that. The Zen masters don't promise that. And neither will I. But I will promise you this. If you practice this daily, just 60 seconds, your relationship with your own mind will transform. Start small. Start today. 1 minute when you wake up. 1 minute before bed. That's it. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Some days will feel effortless. Some days your mind will feel like a tornado. Both are valuable. Both are the practice. Here's my challenge to you. Try this for 7 days. Just 7 days. 1 minute, twice per day. Then come back and comment below. What did you notice? What changed? What surprised you? This isn't just content. This is a community of people reclaiming their attention, their presence, their lives. If this resonated with you, subscribe to the Monk of Matrix. Every week, we bridge ancient wisdom with modern life, because the answers you're searching for have existed for thousands of years. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. And if you want to go deeper, check out the next video where we explore how this same principle transforms decision-making under pressure. Remember, ancient wisdom isn't old, it's eternal, and it's exactly what you need right now. The journey begins here, and it begins with one breath.
After my divorce, I was lost. This channel taught me that suffering can be transformed into growth.